Kante makes click, click noise, and it left his Chelsea teammate baffled. Chelsea defender Antonio Rudiger has revealed that teammate N'Golo Kante often talks in clicks rather than responding to simple questions. The midfielder is often spoken about in the media for his happy grin and humble approach to life in the limelight. But there is certainly more to Kante than what is already widely known. Speaking to the Players' Tribune, Rudiger revealed, "Everything I said to this guy, Kante, he would just look at me and nod his head like he thought everything I said was really interesting. And he would do this thing, I don't really know how to explain it on paper. You have to hear it. Every time I'm talking, he would go click, click, click with his mouth. Hey NG, do you want to go get some food? Click, click. NG, when you press him. Click, clock, click. Man, I literally thought there was something wrong with him. One day, I finally asked him, NG, why do you talk like that? What's going on with you, brother?" He said, "Sorry." I said, "The clicks, bro. What's wrong with you?" He was smiling. He said, "It's just my neighborhood." Rudiger then revealed that the clicks represented agreement and that it was the former Leicester City star's way of acknowledging what was said. The German central defender continued, "See, in the banlieue where he grew up in Paris, they always make this sound. It's like slang for yes. I don't know how it started, but that's what they do there. It's like saying, yeah, okay, cool. And I thought it was so funny because I'm from a similar type of neighborhood in Germany, but I'd never heard anything like that in my life. The whole time, I thought he was messing with me." Rudiger will leave Chelsea at the end of the season, joining Real Madrid. The defender has been a revelation under Thomas Tuchel at Stamford Bridge, asserting himself as one of the best in the world since being brought back into the side. Bayern Munich and Manchester United were also linked with the former Roma star, whilst Chelsea were also desperate for the 29-year-old to commit his future to the club. Speaking about his exit, Rudiger said, "I leave this club with a heavy heart. It has meant everything to me. Even this season, with all the complications, has been enjoyable. Football is football. We are blessed to play a game for a living that we would play for free.